Prime Minister Narendra Modi has commended the significant progress in the strife-torn region of Manipur, attributing the positive change to the collaborative efforts of the central and state governments. Speaking to the Assam Tribune newspaper, Prime Minister Modi emphasized the dedicated allocation of resources and administrative machinery towards resolving the long-standing conflict. I have already spoken about this in Parliament. We have dedicated our best resources and administrative machinery to resolving the conflict. Because of the timely intervention of the Government of India and efforts made by the Government of Manipur, there has been a marked improvement in the situation of the state. Prime Minister Modi said, highlighting the proactive engagement of Home Minister Amit Shah during the peak of the conflict. Prime Minister Modi noted that Shah's presence in Manipur and his extensive consultations with various stakeholders contributed significantly to conflict resolution. The central government has been consistently extending its support as required by the state government. The process of relief and rehabilitation is ongoing, the Prime Minister stated. The opposition has repeatedly criticized the Prime Minister over the Manipur issue, holding his government accountable for the tense situation prevailing in the state since the outbreak of ethnic violence in May last year. Last year, the opposition initiated a no-confidence motion against the BJP-led government at the center, demanding a statement from PM Modi regarding the situation in Manipur. Responding to these criticisms, PM Modi assured Parliament of the joint efforts being undertaken by the center and the state government to restore peace in Manipur. The entire country is with Manipur, and the center and state governments are working together to restore peace in the state, he said. Since the outbreak of ethnic clashes between the Kukis and Meiteis in Manipur on May 3 last year, nearly 200 lives have been lost. The violence erupted following a tribal solidarity march organized in the hill districts of Manipur to protest against the Meitei community's demand for scheduled tribe status.